With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So students, in this question we have given a matrix A which is a 2 cross 2 matrix such that it is satisfying these two relations, okay, given to us. And we need to find the trace of this matrix, where trace is defined as the sum of all the principal diagonals elements of this matrix. Okay, now let me take this matrix A as alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay, so these are four elements of this matrix as it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, now let's see what is given. We have given that A into this is equal to this. Okay, so let me write here product of these two, delta into this 1 minus 1 is given as what? Equal to minus 1 2. Okay, so now let me multiply this matrix. Okay, so if I multiply, I will get alpha into 1 alpha plus beta into minus 1 minus beta. Okay, and this will give me gamma into this minus delta. Okay, so this will be equal to what? This will be equal to minus 1, wait a minute, 2. Okay, student. So from here, if I compare, see, if I compare both the matrix, I can say alpha minus beta is equal to minus 1 and this gamma minus delta is equal to 2. Okay, let me say this is my first equation and this is my second equation. Okay, now let me use my second condition. Okay, student, which is a square into this is equal to 1 comma 0. Okay, now let me write below. Okay, a square into 1 minus 1 is equal to this 1 comma 0. Okay, student, which implies a into, I can write this a square as a into this 1 comma minus 1 is equal to what? Wait a minute, let me write here 1. Okay, is equal to 1 comma 0. Okay, and see, this is my first relation. Okay, see, this is what? This is this a into 1 comma minus 1. This is given as minus 1 comma 2. Okay, student, so I can substitute it here. Okay, so this is giving me that a into this minus 1 2 from my first relation is equal to 1 comma 0. Okay, now again this a we have let to be what? This we have let to be alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay, student, into this minus 1 2 is equal to 1 comma 0. Okay, now let me again multiply these two matrix. So this is giving me alpha into minus 1, so minus alpha plus beta into 2 beta. Okay, and this will give me minus gamma and this will give me plus 2 delta. This is equal to this 1 comma 0. Now if I compare, I will again get two more equation. Okay, so I will get minus alpha plus 2 beta to be equal to what? To be equal to 1. Okay, and other equation, let me say this is my third equation, and fourth equation I am having minus gamma plus 2 delta is equal to 0. Okay, student, let me say this is my fourth equation. Okay, now let me rewrite my first and second equation below, which is alpha minus beta is equal to minus 1, alpha minus beta to be equal to minus 1. This is my first equation, and my second equation is coming to be gamma minus delta is equal to 2. Gamma minus delta is equal to 2. Okay, student, also to find the trace, see, trace is a sum of this alpha plus delta. Okay, so we have to find this alpha and delta. Okay, so using these two equation and can find alpha and delta. Okay, wait a minute, let me multiply this equation with 2. Okay, on both sides, so this is giving me 2 alpha minus 2 beta to be equal to what? To be equal to minus 2. I have just multiplied this with 2. Okay, now if I add these two equations, see, if I add these two equation, I am getting 2 alpha minus alpha will give me alpha, minus 2 beta plus 2 beta will give me 0 to be equal to minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, which will give me value of alpha is minus 1. So we have found the value of alpha. Okay, now let me find the value of delta. Okay, so again, to find this delta, what I can do, I can sum these two equation. Okay, my second equation and my fourth equation. Okay, if I sum this will give me minus gamma plus gamma 0, 2 delta minus delta will give me delta. So delta is coming out to be 2. Okay student, alpha we have found to be minus 1. Okay, so the value of my trace is what? Is equal to alpha plus delta, which will be equal to minus 1 plus 2, which will be coming out to be 1. Okay, alpha plus delta is coming out to be 1. Okay student, so option 1 will be correct. Trace of this matrix A, which is alpha plus delta, is coming out to be minus 1 plus 2, 1. So hope you understand. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.